WordPress Class 12, Backing Up and Securing Your Website. Importance of regular backups. Data loss prevention. Regular backups ensure that your website's data can be restored in case of accidental deletion, hardware failure, or other unforeseen events. Protection against cyber attacks. In the event of a security breach, having recent backups allows you to quickly restore your site to a state before the attack. Peace of mind. Knowing that your data is safely backed up reduces stress and allows you to focus on other aspects of your website. Business continuity. Regular backups help ensure that your website remains operational, which is crucial for maintaining business operations and user trust. Compliance requirements. For some businesses, regular backups are necessary to comply with legal and regulatory standards. Configuring automated backup solutions. Choosing a backup plugin, select a reliable WordPress backup plugin such as Updraft Plus, Backup Buddy, or VaultPress. Setting backup frequency. Configure your backup plugin to run at appropriate intervals, daily, weekly, etc., depending on how frequently your site content changes. Storing backups securely. Store your backups in multiple locations, such as cloud storage services, Google Drive, Dropbox, and remote servers, to ensure they are safe from local failures. Testing backup integrity. Periodically test your backups by restoring them to ensure they are complete and functional. Automating backup tasks. Use scheduling features provided by backup plugins to automate the backup process, minimizing the risk of human error and ensuring consistency. Implementing security best practices. Regular updates. Keep WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for all user accounts, and consider implementing two-factor authentication, 2FA. Limit login attempts. Restrict the number of login attempts to prevent brute force attacks. Use security plugins. Install security plugins like WordFence, Securi, or iThemes Security to add layers of protection, including firewall, malware scanning, and login security. Regular security scans. Conduct regular scans to identify and fix vulnerabilities or malicious code on your website. Secure hosting environment. Choose a reputable hosting provider that offers strong security features, including SSL certificates, firewall protection, and regular server maintenance. Backup and recovery plans. Combine your security efforts with regular backups and a clear recovery plan to ensure you can quickly restore your site if compromised. By prioritizing backups and security, you can safeguard your WordPress site against data loss and cyber threats, ensuring a reliable and secure online presence.